Bored out of your mind, stuck in an endless scroll loop? Stop right here. Did you know you can play games with your friends right inside Facebook Messenger? No extra apps, no downloads, just pure fun. Let me show you how. So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today in this video I'm going to guide you on how to play the games on Facebook Messenger along with your friends. So let's start the video. First of all, open your Facebook Messenger app. This works on both Android and iPhone, so no excuses. Got it open? Now tap on chat of any friends because we are about to turn a boring convo into a battle royal. Now here is the magic. Tap the plus icon, you scroll down and you will see games option. If you don't see it, update your app because Facebook keeps changing things like a confused chef. Now pick a game and tap on one and boom, you are in. Hit play and Messenger will send a challenge to your friend. If they accept, get ready for battle, and if they decline, well, just know they are scared of your skills. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.